Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
Yeah.
What was the question?
Oh, what's your name or the name of your business?
Hi, my name is Stacy Francis, and I am a singer, and I also help manage Alex Rigetto Art.
Thank you. What did you like most from tonight's event?
I loved everything about tonight's event. I thought it was so informative and so helpful to someone like me. I've been singing for so many years, and I think as an artist, sometimes the last thing on our list is learning how to sell, which is why there's so many broke artists. So it was really, really awesome to hear one of the top sellers, one of the biggest top sellers in the world, coming here to Attention Grabbing Media to give us some tools and jewels and learning how to grab attention. So I was really happy about that. And the icing on the cake was that it was free. And so I'm really excited about the day that we got here tonight. It was really, really priceless.
Awesome. Thank you so much. And how will you apply what you learned?
I'm so excited to use these tools and apply them to my company and to myself. One of the most amazing things I learned tonight from the speaker was that people don't know how to buy. So it was like so profound for me. It was like somebody hit me in the stomach, because I never thought about that. Like, there's so many things that we do learn about. We learn about how to sell. We learn about how to use social media and put ourselves out there. We learn how to market, but we forget that the person on the other side might not know how to buy. So really communicating correctly and really communicating how to buy our products and why buying our products will help that person is one of the things that I never really thought about. It was really, really profound for me to hear that, because I realized that I really have to break down on a phone call as fast as I can how and why they should buy my husband's art.
Beautiful. So well put. And what did you think of Mr. Tom Cummins?
Oh my goodness, I love Tom Cummins so much. He's just so amazing and so inspiring.
It's just a microphone.
Okay. Should I wait?
I think we're all right.
Okay.
Okay.
I love Tom Cummins so much. He's so amazing and so inspiring. And one of the things that he said tonight that really, really helped me as well, I mean, a lot of things he said, obviously, that really helped me. But one of the things he helped me, when he said that he used to really shake in his boots making a phone call, I was like, oh, thank you so much, because sometimes I get so nervous on a phone call, and hearing somebody that's selling billions and billions of products from his company say that at one point in his life he was nervous too, it just lets me know that if I keep drilling and I keep rehearsing and I keep really getting information from somebody like him and somebody like Attention Grabbing Media, if I keep paying attention and really applying the data that they're willing to share with me, then I'm gonna make it too.
Awesome. And in your own words, how would you describe this workshop or these workshops?
I would describe these workshops in my own words as just really, really, really amazing jewels for living. I mean, it's just like gold. Like, how many times do you feel so discouraged and so just down and out? And it's really because you just don't know how to sell, or you just don't know how to get the attention, because attention equals income, okay? And your mindset, it turns into assets, all right? So if you ain't got your mindset right, you're not gonna have any assets. So knowing that if I apply beautiful assets like what this company is offering, beautiful assets like what Tom Cummins is offering me and Manuel Suarez, if I can apply those assets to my life and change my mindset, then I know I'm gonna be a multimillionaire one day as well. And that's very, very, very inspiring. And I'm just so happy to be here, and I'm just so happy to have been invited to this event. And I hope that you guys do more, because I'm gonna tell everybody about it. I'm gonna come back as much as I can and be a part of this amazing community. And I'm just so honored and just so grateful that you are doing this for people like me and the artists around us that need this help in this world, because artists, we infuse life and aesthetics into the society, and we just don't know how to get our art there sometimes. We just don't know how to sell ourselves. And so it's beautiful to see businessmen like you that are so successful come and help us give what we want to give. My intention and my purpose and my valuable final product, if we call it that, is to make people happy. But if I don't know how to get the attention of the world to have them listen to me, then I'm not going to get that product. And that's just been something that has been very discouraging for me sometimes, and I know it can be discouraging for other artists. And just to know that this company is here now, and Tom Cummins is here, Manuel is here to offer this service for us, is just such a blessing. And I just want to thank you so much.
Thank you.